Welcome once again to Unbound Abroad, your premier YouTube channel for digital nomads and remote workers seeking the ideal location to settle down. In this episode, we are whisking you away to the enchanting city of Budapest, Hungary's capital. Famed for its remarkable architecture, illustrious history, and delectable gastronomy, Budapest has emerged as a prime destination for digital nomads from all corners of the globe. Let's get started. Budapest offers an affordable yet high-quality lifestyle for digital nomads and remote workers. With its reasonable housing prices, wide-ranging food options, efficient public transportation, and reliable internet services, the cost of living in this captivating city caters to various budgets while still providing an enjoyable and comfortable experience. First, let's talk about housing. Budapest offers a variety of rental options, from cozy studio apartments to spacious multi-bedroom flats. In the city center, you can expect to pay around €500 to €700 for a one-bedroom apartment, while a two-bedroom house in a suburban area may range between €600 and €900 per month. As a final thought, Budapest offers a broad array of housing options tailored to the needs and budgets of digital nomads and remote workers. The city's residential offerings, including chic apartments and quaint homes, ensure that you can settle into your perfect living arrangement while fully immersing yourself in Budapest's dynamic ambience without straining your budget or compromising on comfort. When it comes to food, Budapest is a haven for food connoisseurs. The city offers an extensive culinary scene that spans from traditional Hungarian dishes to a variety of international cuisines. The cost of groceries in Budapest is generally lower than in many Western European cities, allowing you to stock up on essentials without breaking the bank. On average, you can expect to spend around €200 to €250 per month on groceries. For those who enjoy dining out, Budapest offers a wide range of options to suit any budget. You can enjoy a delicious fast food meal for around €2 to €4, or indulge in a satisfying meal at a mid-range restaurant for €10 to €15. If you're looking to splurge on a high-end dining experience, expect to spend between €40 and €60. Overall, the diverse and budget-friendly food scene in Budapest is sure to please both your palate and your wallet. When it comes to transportation, Budapest boasts an efficient public transportation system, including buses, trams, and metro lines. A monthly public transportation pass costs around €30, making it an affordable option for getting around the city. Taxis and ride-sharing services are also available, with average fares ranging from €5 to €10 for short rides. To wrap it up, Budapest's extensive and reasonably priced transportation network allows digital nomads and remote workers to navigate the city and its nearby areas effortlessly, all while maintaining a manageable cost of living. As for internet services, Budapest offers reliable and fast internet connections with an average speed of 100 Mbps. You can expect to pay around €20 to €30 per month for a home broadband plan, while mobile data plans are also available at affordable rates. This ensures that digital nomads can work and stay connected without any hassle. In conclusion, Budapest is a fantastic city for digital nomads and remote workers, offering an affordable and high-quality lifestyle. With its stunning architecture, lively culture, and welcoming atmosphere, it's no wonder that more and more remote workers are choosing Budapest as their base. And there you have it. Budapest's captivating charm, affordable cost of living, and vibrant culture make it an ideal destination for digital nomads looking to experience a unique European lifestyle. As we wrap up our exploration of Budapest, we hope this information has given you valuable insights into what life in this fascinating city could be like for remote workers and digital nomads. Whether you're contemplating making Budapest your new home or simply planning a visit to experience its allure, we're confident that you'll find plenty to love about this incredible city. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Unbound Abroad. Be sure to share your experiences in Budapest and let us know where you'd like us to feature next. If we choose your suggestion, you'll receive a shout out in our upcoming video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more episodes showcasing the best cities for digital nomads around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring and embrace the Unbound lifestyle.